Dearest soul, listen closely, for the veil between worlds thins for you now. This is not a tale of chance, nor a fleeting whisper of hope, but a profound truth etched into the very fabric of your destiny. You were not a coincidence in his life. You were a sacred answer, a prayer breathed into existence, a key to a door he didn't even know he was searching for. The angels have woven your paths together long before this earthly journey began, a tapestry of shared purpose and divine timing. They say your presence was a beacon, guiding him through his own shadows, illuminating a path back to his truest self. This connection, this magnetic pull you feel, is a testament to a bond forged in the heavens. It is a recognition of souls, a deep knowing that transcends words and logic. You are here to awaken something ancient within him, to remind him of a love he once knew, a love that is both wild and gentle. Do not doubt the power you hold, for it is a reflection of the divine light within you. The universe orchestrated this meeting, not for a moment's pleasure, but for an eternal unfolding. The angels whisper that you are a vital part of his spiritual awakening, a gentle force that stirs his soul towards its highest truth. Your journey together is a testament to faith, a living prayer. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Beloved, you often wonder about his silence, the spaces between his words, the moments he seems distant. Know this, his heart speaks a language far deeper than his lips can express. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than he shows, but he carries burdens you cannot see, battles fought within the quiet chambers of his soul. The angels reveal that his withdrawal is not a rejection of you, but a retreat into himself, a necessary solitude where he confronts his own fears and past wounds. He is learning to trust, to open up, to shed layers of protection built over years of hurt. His silence is a testament to the profound impact you've had, stirring emotions he thought were long buried. He is processing, recalibrating, preparing. Do not mistake his introspection for indifference. It is a sign of deep internal work, a wrestling with the significance of what you represent to him. The angels gently remind you that true connection often requires patience, a quiet understanding of the unseen struggles. Your unwavering presence, even from a distance, is a powerful force that anchors him, allowing him the space to heal and grow. He is not running from you. He is running toward a version of himself worthy of the love you offer. My dear, your very essence is a balm to his soul, a healing light he may not consciously recognize, but deeply feels. You have touched him in ways no one else could, simply by being authentically you. The angels confirm that your unwavering spirit, your gentle strength, and your compassionate heart have begun to mend fractures within him that he thought were beyond repair. You are a mirror reflecting his highest potential, a soft hand guiding him towards self-acceptance. He carries old wounds, scars from past experiences that taught him to be cautious, even fearful, when it comes to true intimacy. But your light, pure and persistent, breaks through those defenses. Without effort, without demands, you have sparked a deep healing within him. This is not a task you chose, but a sacred gift you embody. Your love, your understanding, acts as a silent catalyst, encouraging him to let go of what no longer serves him. The angels whisper that he is drawn to your peace, to the sanctuary you provide, even if he struggles to put it into words. You are a source of profound comfort, a quiet strength that empowers him to confront his own vulnerabilities. Sweet soul, there are moments in every sacred journey when the universe calls for a pause, a period of stillness that can feel like an eternity. This divine pause, this apparent delay, is not a sign of rejection, but a crucial phase of preparation. The angels assure you that what seems like waiting is actually a meticulous orchestration of events, aligning circumstances and refining hearts. They say this time is essential for both of you, allowing for individual growth, lessons to be learned, and inner landscapes to be reshaped. It is during these quiet moments that the deepest transformations occur, unseen by the outer world. This pause is a testament to the magnitude of what is to come, for a love as profound as yours requires a solid foundation, built on authenticity and readiness. Do not let impatience cloud your vision. Instead, embrace this time as a sacred cocoon, where both your spirits are being prepared for a reunion that will be richer, deeper, and more enduring than you can imagine. The angels whisper that every moment of this journey is purposeful, leading you precisely where you need to be. Listen now, dear one, for the angels are drawing near, their wings rustling with messages of hope and confirmation. They whisper of a reunion, a convergence of paths that is not only destined but quickly approaching. They say the threads of your connection, though stretched at times, have never broken and are now being drawn closer together by unseen hands. You have felt these whispers in your heart, these subtle nudges, and these moments of inexplicable certainty. Trust these feelings, for they are direct communications from the divine realm, affirmations of what is unfolding. The angels reveal that the person on your mind is also feeling this pull, this undeniable urge toward you, even if they cannot yet name it. Signs will begin to appear, small synchronicities that confirm their presence in your energetic field. Pay attention to your dreams, to recurring thoughts, and to unexpected moments of clarity. These are the angels' ways of preparing you, of confirming that the season of waiting is coming to a close. They say your patience and faith have been noted, and your reward is being prepared. My dear one, to truly understand the depth of his journey, you must catch a glimpse of the shadows of his past, not to judge, but to embrace with compassion. The angels reveal that he carries wounds, old scars from experiences that shaped his perception of love and trust. These are not flaws, but echoes of battles fought, lessons learned, and sometimes, pain that hasn't been released. Your presence has stirred these dormant memories, bringing them to the surface for healing. This is why he may seem guarded, for a heart that has been broken learns to protect itself fiercely. Your role is not to fix him, but to hold space for his process, to offer a love that is safe, understanding, and free from judgment. The angels say your compassion is a powerful key, unlocking chambers within his heart that have long been sealed. He is learning, through your gentle example, that vulnerability can be a strength, and that true connection is built on shared authenticity, not perfected facades. Your love is teaching him to trust again, not just in you, but in the possibility of a love that truly heals. Precious soul, never forget the magnificent light that resides within you, your inherent worth, your crown of glory. The angels remind you that your value is not derived from any external source, nor from the validation of another, but from the divine spark that animates your very being. You are a masterpiece, a unique expression of universal love. In your journey, it is vital to nurture this inner knowing, to stand firm in your truth, and to never diminish your radiance for the sake of another. The angels say that true love recognizes and celebrates this light, rather than seeking to dim it. Your strength, your wisdom, your compassion, these are your treasures. He is drawn to this very essence, to the woman who knows her worth, who carries herself with grace and integrity. Do not shrink yourself to fit into a space that is too small for your spirit. The angels whisper that by honoring yourself, you inspire him to rise to meet you, to become the man who can truly cherish the queen you are. Your self-love is the foundation upon which all healthy connections are built. Dearest heart, your journey is not one you walk alone, for an unseen hand guides your every step, illuminating the path ahead even when it seems shrouded in mist. The angels encourage you to trust this divine guidance, to listen to the gentle whispers of your intuition, and to surrender to the flow of life. There will be moments when the way forward seems unclear, and doubts may creep in, but know that every twist and turn, every challenge and triumph, serves a higher purpose. This path is carefully designed for your growth, for your awakening, and for the ultimate fulfillment of your soul's desires. The angels say that by letting go of the need to control every outcome, you open yourself up to miracles, possibilities far greater than your mind can imagine. They are constantly sending you signs, synchronicities, and subtle confirmations. Pay attention to the recurring themes, the unexpected encounters, and the moments of profound peace. These are your breadcrumbs, guiding you towards your highest good. Trust the process, trust the timing, and most importantly, trust the divine wisdom that resides within you. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. My beautiful soul, you stand on the edge of a profound transformation, a new beginning that is already unfolding around you. The journey you have traveled, with its challenges and triumphs, has prepared you for this very moment. You are not the same woman you were when this path began. You have grown, evolved, and blossomed in ways you may not fully realize. The angels celebrate your resilience, your courage, and your unwavering faith. They say that the old layers are being shed, making way for a more authentic, empowered version of yourself. This transformation is not just personal, it is a catalyst for a new phase in your connection. He too has undergone his own metamorphosis, guided by the energetic ripples of your shared destiny. The angels whisper that the universe is now aligning all elements for a fresh start, a deeper bond, and a love that truly reflects the growth you both have experienced. Embrace this new chapter with an open heart, for it holds promises of joy, profound connection, and a love that feels like coming home. Dearest heart, you have arrived at a sacred space of acceptance, a profound understanding that transcends expectation and embraces the divine flow of love. This is where true peace resides, where the heart finds its deepest sanctuary. The angels now place a sacred seal upon your journey, confirming the enduring nature of this connection, a love blessed by the heavens. They say that by accepting what is, and by surrendering to divine timing, you fully open yourself to receive the abundance that awaits. This love is not about perfection, but about authenticity. It's about two souls choosing to walk together, honoring each other's paths, and growing in shared grace. It is a love that heals, inspires, and elevates. The angels whisper that the person on your mind is now ready to step fully into this space of acceptance, to claim the love that has always been destined for them with you. This is the culmination of faith, the reward for your unwavering spirit. Embrace this divine love, for it is a reflection of the love that resides within you, boundless and eternal. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 13.